Our next topic is, all of you must be knowing, 4 P's. 4 P's. So what are the 4 P's? Product, place, promotion, price. Yes. So this is a particular framework which is known to all of us at a theoretical level, and it's very easy to say this. What are the 4 P's, class? Sir, product, place, promotion, price. It's very easy to say this, and at a theoretical level you might excel in the class by registering this particular theory inside your memory. Sir, product, place, promotion, price. But at a more practical level, this particular framework requires a lot of brainstorming. I mean it. It requires a lot of brainstorming. If you have to implement this particular framework at the practical level, what is the, let's go point by point. First one is product. So when you are a salesperson or when you are a marketing person, you need to know in and out about your particular product. You need to have complete knowledge about your particular product, and it is very essential for you to face the Q&A if the consumer is asking you. So your Q&A has to be bang on when someone is asking you questions about your particular product. So when can that happen? When you know full knowledge about your particular product. Let's say I'm just picking a random product. This is BoroPlus. This is a BoroPlus healthy skin cream. It's Ayurvedic, antiseptic. It's a very well-known cream. And we have another cream which is called as Borolin. Borolin is one of the most underrated products of this particular country. It's an excellent cream. It's an excellent antiseptic cream. So if I'm a BoroPlus person, rather than the information which is present over here and here, I need to have thorough knowledge about this particular product. Where are these ingredients coming from? How is it formulated? How is it made? How is the consistency obtained? How is the consistency obtained in this particular tube? And what are its demerits? You don't have to share these demerits with the public, but you can share it amongst yourself. You need to know about these demerits as well. So once you know the demerits of your particular product, with your intelligent communication, you can make it a very obsolete thing. So this is product. First is knowing in and out about your particular product. Okay. So this is BoroPlus. Okay. First is product. I just spoke about product. Second is promotion. How would you reach out? If this is, okay, let me take a different product. A product which is very relevant in this current era. This is Sri Sri Tattva's Kabasura Kudineer. So this is an excellent remedy during this COVID time. This is a fantastic immunity booster. There is more about Kabasura Kudineer in the internet. You will get to know. Many doctors are recommending this particular product. So product. Next is promotion. How will I promote this particular product? How will I promote this particular product? What are the ways in which I can promote this particular product? So as I see over here, it is manufactured by Sri Veda Sattva Private Limited, which means Sri Sri Tattva's manufacturing plant, the Art of Living's wing. So it is manufactured in-house and it is promoted amongst the Art of Living family, which is very huge. So it reaches out to the Art of Living segment. So once you reach out to the Art of Living segment, they are the ones who will start spreading the positive word of mouth. Yes, so you're having enough knowledge about your product. Okay, Kabasura immunity booster, very very essential in the COVID era. Promotion, product, promotion. Promotion initially target the art of living segment. Second, you can reach out to the doctors, which they are reaching out to various Ayurvedic doctors outside the art of living circle as well. So these are the ways in which you can promote. Okay, fine. Because I understand this particular product, I am having the intelligence to reach out to an Ayurvedic doctor, not an allopathic doctor. Allopathic doctor is licensed or permitted to prescribe allopathic medicines only. An Ayurvedic doctor is licensed or is permissioned to prescribe Ayurvedic medicine. So having this particular knowledge, I am reaching out to Ayurvedic doctors. So this is my promotion. Product, promotion. Third is place. Where are you selling? What is the correct place that you have chosen? So when I say place, it is retailed in Amazon, it is retailed in Sri Sri Tattva's very own e-commerce channel, and if the COVID era was not there, it would have retailed during mega satsangs wherever Guruji was going. So this is place. What is the place? Amazon, Flipkart, their own e-commerce channel, mega satsangs. So this is place. Similarly, if you're Louis Vuitton, okay, and Louis Vuitton's target segment are women who are filthy rich. Okay, so product, we know that. Promotion, yes, they are very very sure about where they want to promote. You don't see Louis Vuitton commercials happening in between Saas Bahu serials. Promotion part we are taking care. Third is place. At the moment, if Louis Vuitton is choosing an okay mall, which is not so royal, which is not so great, that means Louis Vuitton is actually hampering their brand image. So this can only happen if you don't have enough knowledge about that particular product. Generally, I see Louis Vuitton shops present in 5-star hotels. Every 5-star hotel has a small retail chain. They are present over there. They are present in big airports. So when I went to Amsterdam, they were there in the airport. When I went to Seattle, Louis Vuitton was there. So they are there in most of the airports. I think in New York, when I was in New York, in that particular airport, they had a huge space fully dedicated to Louis Vuitton. So the place that you choose is also very crucial if you want to sell yourself. Product, promotion, place. Fourth one is price. If and only if you have enough knowledge about a particular product, then only you will be able to price that particular product accordingly. Also, it depends upon the cost that you incur. So this X is the amount of cost. Let's say 20 rupees is the cost that you incur. What is the profit margin? How much profit do you want? 10 rupees profit you want? 5 rupees? Depends upon the industry that you're in. So if you are speaking about this particular industry, it is highly competitive, and this is a middle class product, and the profit margins will be less. But how can you earn money? By manufacturing crores and crores of BoroPlus. Let's say the profit margin for this particular product is 3 rupees. How can you earn profit? When you manufacture 4 crore or 5 crore or 10 crore BoroPlus ointments, 3 into 4 crores, you can understand, or 40 crores, depends upon their balance sheet. So you need to properly price that particular product. So when these people are pricing when they are pricing at a very very premium price, when they are when their one soap is 390 rupees or 300 rupees or 290 rupees, that means they just want to sell it to only to few customers. They want to sell it to few customers and they want to sell it to upper middle class people and the rich people only. So they are very sure about how they want to go about their business. This can only happen when you understand this particular product really well. Probably their business team, they must have said, ma'am, we are spending a lot in accumulating all these ingredients, these rich ingredients for this particular soap. It's costing us a lot. This has to reflect in our final price. They take a decision and finally their price is very, very high, and they are very sure that this is not a mass marketed product. Clear? Product, place, promotion, price. So you can do really well in the promotion part, place part and the price part if you have good knowledge about your particular product. Solid knowledge about your particular product. Solid knowledge about your product will help you conquer these remaining three things: price, promotion, place, whatever order you put it. It begins with you having good solid knowledge about that particular product. Clear?